Today it's Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Mr. Derek here, he's changing the oil and the filter for the DLB. That's the oil filter. It's nice. I already check it. Beautiful, no problem whatsoever. You already put the new oil filter in?
Yep.
Dang it, I didn't catch you up. So, you see something wrong, Mr. Derek?
Nothing. You didn't see anything.
All looks good?
Yep.
Nice.
All dry, clean.
Nice. You check the oil level?
Yeah.
You start the car?
Yeah, I started the car already. Check it.
All right. Lift it up to see it, to watch from down the car. You want to start again the car?
No.
Ah.
I started already. It's okay.
All right. Fine. Okay. Lift it up. Mr. Derek.
This one is from me when I was moving the
I know that's from you, and you're gonna start spraying brake cleaner from up, not from down. To don't have these kind of things, you see?
Yep.
So from up on the belt to come completely dry. Now, I was willing to make a video to see that everything is nice and dry, but no worries. Nice. Okay. There was the turbo, it looks beautiful, nice. Now, Derek, we have one small problem here with the alignment of the exhaust. Alright, this pipe it's more up, right?
Yep.
And this is more down, correct? Alright, my question is, what if you lose this one, double nut here, okay? What if you lose it and you tilt it a little bit, push this up, you know what I mean? And tight it while this is gonna be up. It might make it more straight, right? It might worth to try this. We washed the car, that's why you see water everywhere. It's been washed. Yeah, it was nice and dry, and then Mr. Derek, he changed the oil. No worries. Just, you see here, you see there the hose?
Yeah.
The hose has oil on it, the cover has oil on it. So I need all this area, please, to be nice and dry.
Yeah.
Alright, to don't see nothing. To be beautiful. From up. So the car is new. To check what? To check what? Right? Boost is new. Boot new. No leak whatsoever. Other than this, it's fine. It's okay. Here they put silicone before. Not from us. We don't have this kind of silicone. This color. We don't have beige or red. We have black, and we are not putting silicone or sealant on the exhaust. Yay. Lovely. It's okay. It's not touching anywhere. It just only need one alignment here. Why? To don't be. This I can pass my hand. On this one, yeah, it's stuck here. Yeah, the boys here are gonna address this one. And which top mount we cleaned today? This one, right? Yeah, on the left one. What I did today, because there was some sound, Omar, he has the video, I'm gonna tell him to send it to me. We remove the top mount, I open the bearing, I clean it, I wash it, I put the fresh grease inside, then I close by again, and now it's fine, it's beautiful. It had some sound inside, not from this side. Don't ask me why only one. Yeah, it is what it is, right? Yeah. That's it. Make it down to start the car to hear it also, since I'm here, why not? Okay, Derek. No, before we start it, you see there, that has oil, empty two bottles of brake cleaner here to come completely dry. Belt the AC compressor pulley there, to be nice and dry, and then we're gonna crank it. I don't want to spin the belt on oil. Bring another one. One is not gonna be enough. It's helping also the phone, the camera. 2 bottles of brake cleaner and a little bit air. You're gonna do the job. Hey. Let's bring also the air. Wait. Okay, now. Nice and dry. let's start it to heat it. I'm waiting, Mr. Derek. Whenever you're ready, fire up, please. It's a cold start. Air conditioning's on. Air conditioning's on. Turn it off. Turn off the air condition. Now we're gonna go through the whole cold start. Wait until it finishes. Okay, that's how it sounds. The fan's off. Almost. Don't do that. Nice. We are looking good. Mr. Derek, now that warm up, check again the oil level. And please clean down, Now that warm up a little bit, check again the oil level. Take care it down to be nice, so don't have oil anywhere. Alright, and that's it. And wrapping up. Thank you.